All this rap shit, I was gang banging and doing half speeds on shit. Then I'm straight from the shop, but I ball like the king up in Cali and shoot like Stojakovic. Keep applying that pressure, I go on the run, it ain't no letting up, ain't no stopping this. Had to tell my little brother to chill, gotta stay in the house, come outside, he be popping shit. You ain't heard about us, well you need to go watch the news, niggas know we be dropping shit. Got the feds on my ass in the hood, cause they think I'm the one who been banned on blocks and shit. I'm just focused on music, they say my last tape was a classic, but I got some hotter shit. Might be rocking the show, or if I'm not up in the studio, I'm fucking his cash off. Don't you know Polo G skinny tall with the dreads, the little nigga be rapping his ass off. Yeah, I heard she got surgery still.
Alright guys, you know, fuck it, last minute I'm deciding to do a vlog. I'm gonna do a vlog today, honestly guys. You know, we ain't being tonk. We got Yun. You guys, check out the hoodie, guys. Hellamotion Hoodie. Finally got it, guys.
Coming soon.
We have it, guys. Stay tuned for the drop though. But yeah, where are we going? Actually, we're going to
Should we leak?
Nah. I'll show you the side of our school, you know, because I go to the school too. Oh crap, coach is out. Oh, but coach is out, bro. Guys, peep out the school. Type shit.
You lit, no cap. Yo. What? Bro, we here, just vibe, bro. We here.
Swanee is like a 10-minute drive, bro. You just made that shit 45 minutes.
It was a crash, bro.
Nigga, you capping.
Oh God, I'm capping. We
got the Bronco. What's up, bro? Pop.
I'm actually cut.
Oh, okay.
Hey, put the flash on.
Put the flash.
On the back.
Oh my god. Damn.
Hey, I got y'all boys soon, bro. I got y'all boys soon, bro.
Alright, bro, where's your brother? Call now.
Guys, like this is Mason's Bronco. Lights, type shit. Damn. Mason's. Guys, look at this, bro. Dope ass interior. He's got subs. This shit out. Oh, look at Dan.
You're 3 minutes late, bro. You're 3 minutes late, bro.
Sheesh, Audi looking clean. We got Dan in the whip. Dan.
I was with Chris. We was in Atlanta, bro.
That's it, Valley. Guys, as you guys can see, is Dan's Audi A5. Carbon fiber, ambient lighting, Audi. And we about to go slide?
Hey, there's warehouses right there.
Yeah, let's hit that one right here. Let's
No one's- Hey, Max, we're going to
Thompson Mill right here.
Bro.
V8's only. Alright, and we just cut off. Alright, we just cut off like 3. Alright.
Teach me how to swing it.
Alright, fuck it. Alright, guys, we about to swing it out.
I came in with my ex, like Selena, the flex. Bumping Justin Bieber, the fever, and love. She know what she need, all she blessed. Give it my best. Yeah, I got my heart, I'ma stay with a knife in my back. What's with that? 21, I love him, and my brother, that's my stack. Metro made the beat, so you know that it's gon' slap. Talking to a diva, she on my nerves. She think that I need her, kick her to the curb. All I know is you could've had the world, yeah, you were mine. I got some needs, I need the money like I need to breathe. I need some honest and I need to scheme. I need the W by any means, yada I mean. Tell that little bitch that I'm out of her league. Enough is enough and I think I'm allergic to suckers. You niggas keep making me sleep. Them out for blood and I'm making them bleed. You try to run and I'm breaking your knee. I made them fall like I'm ranking the leagues. You know I ball like I blame for the league. I mean what I say and I say what I mean. I ain't no joke, we ain't making no memes. If I pull up on them, I'm making a scene. Then I'm making them scream. Straight from the bricks, I need a lick. I drink the bodies.
Oh shit, toe.
Oh shit, he's lighting somebody up. He just turned on his lights.
No way, did he actually?
Yeah, he
We
did.
gotta get this content.
He just turned on his lights.
No.
He turned them off and turned them on. I think he's waiting for you, Dan. Yeah, I think he's waiting for you. Yes.
Oh.
Just turn, just turn, Dan. Turn right.
Crazy, walking this corner, I can get on your level, I'm cash. Watch me run that shit up,
Step away from
and trying to get to the top of the world. My nigga went crazy,
go
walking
straight.
this corner, I seen someone fucking
You're
girl.
making left that
Fuck all that spinning block, there's a little boy, she be catching, we rocking this world. I let everybody have their
Hell
fun.
no.
We never had a woman say she done with me. I was working now on the company, I keep money coming.
Are you sure you did?
Constantly, my little brody, they be having runs. She trying to get it, I've been on the run for weeks. All they want you niggas to come for me. Both of my kids got it honestly, I'm the real.
Fuck, bro, we got this. Go down. Bro, remember when we went with fucking Flues down here?
Put a switch on the blick for the auto. Put them things on the plane like I'm Rollo.
Alright, guys. We just got to the crib.
I can never go back to the old days.
Twin.
I was getting chased.
Fucking dog now, Sam.
Are you really, bro? I'm actually.
Look at the wiener dog.
Better.
Later. Oh, look at these youngins. Oh, what's that?
His dad finally carbon fiber.
Oh, for the
Now we gotta
Bronco?
wait for the paint.
Yo, what's that?
Where did my keys go?
Is it for the Bronco?
No, it's for
My car.
the Audi.
Oh, what?
What is that?
I was about to, and then I was like,
Oh, alright. We got Dan. Let's go see how they look.
yeah, you wanna like,
Dan!
Yeah, sure. Oh my god. This shit's hard.
I was about to bust you, bro. I was gonna go over the I was like, poor son.
We're gonna go look at them. I just kicked that. Oh my god, look at the youngins.
Sam, you just left your door open?
Hey, but I respect that. I respect that.
This is a safe neighborhood.
Type shit. Type shit, but oh god, you don't gotta worry about that.
It's too loud.
Nah, guys, so. Oh, look at that.
Oh my god.
Look at this
Holy
one.
fuck, my parents are literally blowing up my fucking phone.
Oh, they know we're
Sucks
here.
to suck.
They know we're here.
Yes. They got cameras everywhere. Camera there, camera there.
Oh, look at that. Look at that pyramid.
I got something for you for your ass, bro. Hey, he's chucking moose on the fucking.
Wait, Dan. Dan.
Hey, wait, Dan, stop. Let me take that car.
Wait, Dan, back up.
Y'all are dumb, bro. Y'all just gonna leave this shit on the hood.
They're still on. Hey,
Oh.